What do you do when you have 2 acres of lawn and you need to mow it this time of year? This is our setup we built a few years ago. It's our Craftsman 42-inch lawnmower, and we pull 2 pull-in 21-inch mowers behind it. That gives us a total of 84 inches or 7 feet per cut. We started out with 1 hitch, and this is just a very basic scrap yard build. Just have a piece of rod going into here for some adjustability. Just welded a nut on there, but you don't even need that really. This goes to our mower number 1, which we just have a door hinge on there just to give it a little flexibility. This is a piece of 3/4 inch EMT that we bent on a 90-degree. Goes back to our unit number 2. We took the handles off just to make it a little easier, and how you keep the mower running is we just have this safety release, a couple of zip ties hooked to the original. Same thing here. And on this one, very barnyard, but we have a couple of washers on here just so that we can adjust this to get your correct lap spacing. So with this we can mow 7-foot swaths, and we can make handy quick work out of 2 acres of lawn. I'll get a little picture of it running. That's it. Super easy, but gets a lot of lawn mowed. Thanks for watching.